Hello. So another problem that I see advocates experiencing, especially young advocates, is how to charge legal fees. So you've started your law firm, a client walks into your office and um, has a case, but you don't know how much to charge them. You start asking them, how much do you want to pay me? Or you quote a lower figure than that which you would have been paid or below the advocate remuneration order, or you end up leaving money on the table basically. So I want to show you how you can approach the billing issue. This is something that we're also working on at Patafile to integrate, so that whenever you have a client, you don't have to scratch your head very hard to settle at a figure that you need to charge them, or that a figure that you shouldn't charge below. Okay, so I want to introduce to you an app called Wakili Fees. So Wakili Fees will help you charge an amount that is not lower than the advocate remuneration order. Okay, for a number of transactions. So it can be that you need to calculate stamp duty, which I'll cover in another session, leases and tenancies, debentures, and land and purchases transfer, land and purchases. A myriad of transactions. So, assuming you have a case that is proceeding before the subordinate court, how do you go about it? It's very simple. You come here, proceeding before subordinate. You put in the ad valorem value of the subject matter. So, say it's a case worth 5 million. The subject matter is 5 million. You select here whether it's defended or undefended. Mostly it will be defended. You calculate your legal fees. So you shouldn't charge less than 195,000. Okay. So if it's undefended, all you just need to do is change here. Okay, if it's a suit that was settled before hearing, you change here and it will calculate for you. This is an automated way of calculating legal fees. Okay, and then assuming you're doing a conveyancing and you're transacting a land worth 12 million, all you need to do is put the purchase price of the land there, calculate. You will get your legal fees automatically, already calculated for you. You don't have to keep on making calculations, manual calculations, or making guesses. This is a figure that's the minimum fee you can charge. You need to go above this so that you don't contravene the advocate remuneration order. So these two I will be covering feature after feature in our subsequent webinars. Yeah, and if you need this application, you can talk to us directly and we'll be able to help you obtain it. Cheers.